That is right, ladies and gentlemen. It is you, it is me, it is NBWD, New Beginnings Window and Door, the Tri-State's premier window and door distributor. And as you can tell, the holidays are in full effect here in our New Beginnings showroom. And this year, to spread even more holiday cheer, we've once again partnered with Angels of Light to help children and families with life-threatening illnesses have a holiday season that they will never forget. And we would love your help to spread that cheer even more. To do so, it is very simple. You come on down to our showroom, conveniently located on Route 90 in Wappingers Falls. You take one of the gift tags off of our giving tree here, you buy the gift, you bring it back to our showroom no later than December 17th, and then alongside Angels of Light, we help distribute those gifts to the families in need. So, help spread holiday cheer this season with New Beginnings Window and Door and Angels of Light. And above all else, don't forget to begin each day with a beautiful view.